Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a minimum quantity for products purchased on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys an app which you can use to actually set the minimum and the maximum quantity of a product, which is called Order Limits. It's called Minmaxify as well, and you can install it. It does cost $10 a month, but there is a free trial available. So let's just click on install, and as you'll see, you'll just need to install the app by clicking install over here, and then just click it like that. Now it might ask you for your credit card information just so that you have a free trial, but as you can see, it is installing it right over here. And once it's installed, it will show you guys this screen. Just wait for it to load up completely, and it looks something like this. And as you can see, I don't have a subscription set up, and Order Limits enhances your online store using the embed mechanism, yada yada yada. You just need to go into product, and you need to add a product from your selection. Click add, and then just set the minimum, which I'll set to 1. You can set the maximum, which I'll set to 20, and that is pretty much it. Now you can publish the product like so, but I won't, since I don't have a I don't have a subscription, so I'm not able to do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.